How to Start a Food Truck Business, a Step-by-Step Guide. Welcome to Side Income Secrets, where we share valuable tips and tricks to help you create extra income streams. If you've ever dreamed of running your own food truck business, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the essential steps you need to take to get started. From finding your niche to navigating permits, we'll cover everything you need to know to hit the road with your culinary creations. First things first, it's crucial to find your unique food concept. Think about what you love to cook or what type of cuisine excites you. Is there a dish that always gets rave reviews from friends and family? Your food truck should reflect your passion. Research the local market to identify gaps and trends. Perhaps there's a demand for gourmet tacos or vegan desserts in your area. This is your chance to stand out. Once you have a concept in mind, it's time to create a business plan. A solid plan will help you outline your vision, target market, and financial projections. Consider how much you'll need to invest in equipment, supplies, and permits. A well-thought-out plan will guide you through the initial stages and make it easier to secure funding if needed. Speaking of funding, you may need to explore your options. Whether it's personal savings, loans, or investors, make sure you have enough capital to cover your startup costs. Don't forget to factor in expenses for your food truck, kitchen equipment, initial inventory, and marketing. Having a financial cushion will help you navigate the early days of your business without stress. Now that you have your concept and funding in place, it's time to find the right food truck. You have options here: buying a new or used truck, leasing, or even converting a van. Make sure it meets all local health and safety regulations. Look for a vehicle that has enough space for your equipment and can accommodate your workflow efficiently. Next, let's talk about permits and licenses. This step can be tricky, but it's essential for running your food truck legally. Check with your local health department and city regulations to find out what you need. You may need a food service permit, vehicle registration, and possibly a business license. It's better to do your research up front to avoid any legal issues down the line. Marketing your food truck is equally important. In today's digital age, social media can be a powerful tool. Create accounts on platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your delicious offerings. Share mouth-watering photos, behind-the-scenes content, and updates on your location. Engaging with your audience will help you build a loyal customer base. Don't forget to consider local events, festivals, and food truck gatherings as opportunities to gain exposure. Once you hit the road, focus on delivering excellent customer service. Building relationships with your customers can lead to repeat business and positive word of mouth. Make sure you're friendly, efficient, and responsive to feedback. A great experience can turn casual visitors into loyal fans. As you grow, continually evaluate your business. Look for ways to improve your menu, streamline operations, and enhance your marketing efforts. Stay adaptable to trends and customer preferences. Success in the food truck industry often comes from the ability to innovate and evolve. Thank you for watching our guide on how to start a food truck business. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Side Income Secrets for more tips on creating additional income streams. Until next time, happy cooking and good luck with your food truck journey.